Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heat press machines for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're jumping into crafting as a hobby, starting a small business, or just want to make some custom t-shirts, these machines will help you get started on the right foot. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the AST&T Heat Press Machine 12-inch by 10-inch portable easy heat press. This is an excellent choice for those who are just getting started and want a simple, no-frills heat press for small to medium-sized projects. The 12 by 10-inch heating plate is ideal for t-shirts, jackets, tote bags, and more. One standout feature is its lightweight design, weighing just 7.8 pounds, making it portable and easy to store. The AST&T heat press heats evenly and quickly thanks to its 4 pressure-regulating springs and double-tube heating element. It's constructed with heat-resistant materials and features an anti-overheating system, ensuring safety during use. This makes it beginner-friendly and suitable for a variety of heat transfer vinyl (HTV) materials like foil, glitter, and sublimation paper. However, the lack of advanced automation features means you'll need to manually monitor time and pressure for each project. In terms of value, this is a solid entry-level option. It's perfect for crafting enthusiasts or those taking their first steps into the heat transfer world. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of higher-end models, its simplicity, combined with its affordability, makes it a great pick for beginners. The main drawback? It's not ideal for high-volume production due to its manual operation, but if you're looking for a reliable, straightforward heat press, this one gets the job done. Coming in at number 4, we have the AST&T Heat Press 12-inch by 10 with built-in Bluetooth. This smart heat press is perfect for tech-savvy beginners who want to add a modern touch to their crafting experience. One of its standout features is its companion app, which allows you to set precise temperature and time settings via Bluetooth. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for those who are new to heat pressing. The ceramic-coated heat plate ensures even heat distribution, providing professional quality results on t-shirts, pillows, tote bags, and more. The machine's compact size is suitable for medium-sized projects, and its safety certifications give peace of mind during operation. The adjustable temperature goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for a variety of materials and transfer types. However, while the app integration is a great feature, it may not appeal to users who prefer more manual control or those who aren't comfortable with technology. This heat press offers a great balance between functionality and innovation. It's ideal for hobbyists who want to experiment with different materials and need a little extra guidance. While it's slightly more expensive than basic models, the added convenience of the app and the quality of the heat plate make it worth considering. Just keep in mind that its smaller size might limit its use for larger projects. At number 3, we have the HTVRONT Heat Press Mini, a small but mighty machine that's perfect for smaller, more intricate projects. If you're working on t-shirts, hats, or other heat transfer projects that don't require a large heat plate, this compact device is a fantastic option. With its 3 heat settings, low, medium, and high, this mini press offers flexibility for a variety of materials. One of the best things about this mini heat press is its portability. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around or store. It heats up quickly, saving you valuable time during crafting sessions. The ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing the risk of burning yourself. However, its small size means it's not the best choice for larger projects or high-volume production. This product is ideal for crafters who want a secondary or travel-friendly heat press. It's also great for beginners who want to test the waters without committing to a larger, more expensive machine. The main downside is its limited capacity, but if you're looking for a specialized tool for smaller projects, the HTVRONT Mini delivers excellent value. At number 2, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, a smart and efficient option for beginners and pros alike. This machine is packed with features that make heat pressing a breeze. including its automatic pressing system and auto-release function. Simply load your project, press the R button, and let the machine handle the rest. It adjusts to materials up to 1 inch thick, ensuring even pressure and avoiding any accidental burns. With its dual-tube heating engine and NTC thermistor technology, this heat press heats up fast and evenly, producing professional quality transfers every time. The 15 by 15 inch plate size makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, from t-shirts to wood signs. Safety is a top priority here, with features like a drawer-style design that keeps your hands away from the hot plate and an auto-off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity. This is an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, whether you're scaling up production or just want a hassle-free experience. While its higher price point might deter some beginners, the time-saving and safety features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about heat pressing. The main drawback: its larger footprint might not suit those with limited workspace. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the HT Vrant Auto Heat Press 2, a powerhouse machine that combines advanced features with ease of use. This model is designed for versatility, featuring adjustable pressure settings that can handle up to 170 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of projects, including thicker items like hoodies. The increased heating height of 4.5 centimeters expands its capabilities even further, allowing you to tackle more challenging projects. What sets this machine apart is its dual-tube heating engine and NTC thermistor technology, which ensure fast and even heating across the entire 15 by 15 inch surface. This not only saves time, but also guarantees consistent, high-quality results. The hands-free operation is a game changer. Set your parameters, press the R button, and let the machine do the work while you focus on other tasks. Safety features like the auto-off function and adjustable screen angle add to its user-friendly design. This heat press is perfect for beginners who want a professional-grade machine that can grow with their skills. While it's on the pricier side, its robust features, ease of use, and versatility make it a top contender for anyone serious about heat pressing. The only downside, its 47.4-pound weight, means it's not as portable as some other options. But if you're looking for the best of the best, the HT Vrant Auto Heat Press 2 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect heat press machine for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.